Kepler Forerunner K2. The Chinese company Shanghai Kepler Robotics has made significant strides in humanoid robotics, recently unveiling its latest model, the Kepler Forerunner K2, which aims to revolutionize industrial and service applications. This highly advanced humanoid robot stands at 178 centimeters tall and weighs 85 kilograms, making it comparable in size to an average human. The Forerunner K2 is designed to perform a wide range of tasks across industries such as manufacturing, logistics, education, and even space exploration. Its high degree of flexibility and mobility is achieved through an advanced mechanical structure, featuring 2 degrees of freedom in its body and 12 degrees of freedom in its arms, allowing it to execute both complex physical operations and precise, delicate tasks. The robot's arms are equipped with intelligent actuators and sensor systems, enabling it to lift and manipulate objects weighing up to 15 kilograms with precision. The Kepler Forerunner K2 is engineered for 8 hours of continuous operation, powered by a high-capacity battery with an automatic recharging feature. Shanghai Kepler Robotics has announced that mass production of the Forerunner K2 will commence in the third quarter of 2025, with a competitive price of approximately $30,000, making advanced humanoid robotics more accessible than ever. Icon 3 D-Printed Robot. An American company based in Austin, Icon, has pioneered a new technology that automates the construction of homes using large-scale three-dimensional printers, 3D printers. The centerpiece of the company's innovation is the Vulcan Construction 3D printer, which prints whole houses on site with an automated construction system, also known as a building site 3D printer. Vulcan printers use designated building mixtures to construct houses tier by tier. In this manner, structural elements such as walls and partitions are precisely formed. The company's printers produce structures with areas of up to 185 square meters, which is scalable and efficient for housing development. The printer, awesomely attaining speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, will complete a house in a handful of days. With automation in construction, Icon sets sights on solving the global affordable housing crisis that is fast becoming a hot concern by offering fast, cost-effective, and sustainable solutions. The technology provides consistency of quality, reduces waste, and softens the impact on the environment. So, unlike traditional construction methods, it does not contravene environmental ideals. As the gap between demand and supply widens, the availability of 3D printed houses is set to change fundamentally the approach towards designing and building residential structures. Schindler Rise. The installation of elevators in high-rise buildings has been made easy with the help of robots. Schindler has made a breakthrough with the first ever robotic system called Rise that automates the whole installation of elevators. Unlike traditional methods, Rise Schindler increases operational speed entirely. It has specially designed systems that allow it to work non-stop around the clock while yielding precision during installation. It undertakes various tasks like drilling a concrete wall and installing bolts. Additionally, it has the ability to operate without the assistance of an operator. It has also been utilized in the construction of Warsaw Tower in Poland. Along with Rise Schindler's contributed, the robots aid in elevator installations in both passenger and service elevators. Schindler Group is a construction company that was founded in 1874 and has its headquarters in Switzerland. Rise is one of the innovative solutions applied by Schindler to face challenges encountered in construction. The company is one of the leading manufacturers in the production of escalators and elevators. The construction industry faces numerous problems, with issues with efficacy and efficiency on the rise. Schindler plays a major role to address this problem as Light Spray is a revolutionary technology developed by the Swiss company On, which specializes in high-performance running shoes. This new achievement intertwines robotics and material science to fabricate ultra-lightweight sneakers with minimal waste and a much lower carbon footprint. A robotic machine garnishes a high-performance sole with roughly 1.5 kilometers of thread, forming an upper in a 3-minute splash. This step replaces glue and stitching, saving a lot of waste and harmful emissions. Light Spray features a reduction of carbon dioxide emissions by 75% when compared to traditional racing shoe uppers produced by the company. Unlike clamp methods that take time, exertion, and a lot of elbow grease, This method creates an upper with no seams in one fell swoop. This innovation is bound to change the landscape of high-performance footwear as it allows the company to produce its lightest elite racing shoes ever made. For instance, the Cloudboom Strike LS model takes the crown at a mere 170 grams, bestowing unparalleled speed, agility, and performance. Endurance runners stand to gain from the durable yet lightweight nature of these shoes, actively competing in derailing conditions. RoboJD. Brouwer KZMac has launched RoboJD, a sophisticated automated machine that harvests and stacks turf with precision. With minimal effort, a single operator can now harvest and stack turf powerfully due to the incorporation of advanced technology into the machine. The robotic stacking system is a key feature of RoboJD that improves operational productivity since it guarantees accurate and efficient robotic handling of varying types of turf. The machine has an automated pallet feeding system capable of holding a maximum of 18 pallets with optional dual-side feeder upgrades for improved productivity and speed. In addition, the comfort-controlled cabin protects the operator from uncomfortable weather while guaranteeing full visibility of all critical areas, including the cutting and stacking zones. RoboJD can turf widths of 16, 23, or 24 inches while stacking 4 to 5 rolls of turf per pallet for easy transport. The automation not only optimizes the harvesting process, but the turf quality is significantly improved due to reduced handling damage. The RoboJD is an automated agricultural device that can operate more efficiently and with less manual work in turf harvesting, and it represents a technological advancement in its field. AeroLift. The AeroLift system, developed by the Failsafe House Lifting Systems engineers, is a state-of-the-art system for building lifting, which guarantees maximum efficiency and safety in operational procedures. This innovative technology enables the lifting of structures weighing up to 80 tons to 5.2 meters without requiring pauses or complex equipment reconfiguration. AeroLift comprises 4 modular lifting towers that can be expanded to increase load capacity and thus adaptable to various construction needs. Its construction includes dual-threaded drives and locking systems, which guarantees utmost safety and completely eliminates the possibility of a sudden and uncontrolled descent of the structure. Unlike the traditional lifting methods, the towers are positioned outside the perimeter of the building, ensuring the maximum free space for components and essential construction or repair work. The compact and mobile design of the AeroLift allows transport of the entire system on a single standard trailer, yielding ease of deployment in hard-to-reach areas. This makes it an ideal solution for lifting buildings in dense urban settings or remote locations. The AeroLift, whether employed for foundation repairs, structural alterations, or disaster recovery procedures, has set a new standard in building elevation technology by integrating precision, safety, and ease of use. Suzuki Mokba. This futuristic conceptual vehicle is designed by Suzuki, a Japanese company. The Mokba has 4 articulated legs which allow it to overcome obstacles such as stairs, rough terrains, and narrow pathways. These legs provide the vehicle with balance while moving over surfaces. Furthermore, the vehicle's base chassis is modular, meaning it can be set up for different purposes such as transport, medical, or even cargo shipping. Due to this flexibility, the Mokba is ideal for urban environments, emergencies, and even industries where mobility is difficult. The vehicle's advanced robotic technologies and futuristic design enable for autonomous motion, which is the next goal of Suzuki's vision for the future of vehicles. The company seeks to eliminate mobility challenges through merging robotics with current transport systems. Showcasing the Mokba concept, Suzuki has set a statement of their focus towards innovation and engineering. Such vehicles will enable for efficient and versatile transportation in imposing environments. KUKA Brick Laying Robot. German engineers never cease to amaze us with their innovation skills. Recently, engineers from KUKA unveiled a new robotic system specifically designed for the automated laying of brick blocks, a revolution for the entire construction industry. This industrial robot includes a manipulator arm of unparalleled accuracy, as well as a highly sophisticated artificial intelligence system that allows for extreme precision in laying bricks. Automation of this stage of construction offers a remarkable acceleration in terms of construction pace while maintaining impeccable quality standards. Not only does the KUKA robot implement advanced automation technologies for fast-paced construction, but also for precision in bricklaying. Its advanced sensors enable it to work with different sets of construction materials and conditions to ensure optimum performance. The robot's software works out the most efficient brick placement sequence to optimize the structural robustness of the building being erected, thus minimizing material wastage. The robotic system does not suffer from fatigue unlike human workers, which means they can operate 24/7, greatly enhancing productivity and shortening project timelines. Sembla. With Sembla blocks, you can build full-size structures as easily as constructing with Legos. Just like the famous Danish toy, Sembla blocks connect and disconnect with each other, making the process of construction flexible and efficient. One of the best features of Sembla is the fact that it is reusable. Each block can be taken apart and rebuilt again multiple times without damage. The developers set a goal for sustainability, ensuring that each block consists of roughly 20% recycled materials. The primary FOM of the blocks is a geopolymer-based concrete with low carbon emissions gases. This means Sembla is easier on the environment than traditional building materials. Even with these eco-friendly materials, the blocks are incredibly tough, having a compressive strength of 80 megapascals. This enables the construction of residential buildings up to 13 meters high. These can be used for a range of architectural constructions, from temporary structures to permanent homes. The system is fast in assembly, which saves on labor and time spent on overall construction projects. Would you try using Sembla for your projects? Do you think construction systems like these have the ability to transform sustainable architecture in the future? Comment your opinion below. Zella Ytong. Moving on, we have Zella, which is a top construction materials company and producer of Ytong, autoclaved aerated concrete AAC blocks that offer both structural support and thermal insulation. These forward-thinking blocks synthesize low thermal conductivity and high load-bearing capacity, which is ideal for modern construction. Standard Ytong blocks can be used to construct 5-story buildings without extra insulation, further simplifying construction. Their efficiency is remarkable. 2 builders can erect walls for a 94-square-meter house in just a single day, which is 68% faster than traditional bricklaying methods. The straightforward application of Ytong blocks accelerates the construction pace, making them appealing to developers focused on efficient project timelines. Furthermore, the blocks can be conveniently trimmed, drilled, or carved, allowing for customization and flexibility in architectural design. In addition to the structural benefits, Ytong blocks have exceptional frost and fire resistance, which improves building safety and durability. Ytong blocks also considered eco-friendly and non-toxic construction material, embracing sustainable building practices. FODS. Every construction site produces dust, dirt, debris, and pollutants that are often transferred off-site through the tires of dump trucks and loaders. This is a bad way of contaminating roads, creating an environmental hazard, or causing additional cleanup expenses. To resolve this issue, FODS mats were developed as an effective way of managing construction site traffic by keeping roads clean. These durable mats are placed at the site exits. Vehicles must drive over the mats when leaving the site. The dirt-removing pyramid-shaped features on each mat polish the tires, ensuring that dirt, debris, stones, and other forms of contaminants are left on the mat as opposed to public roads. A regular FODS mat is 2.1 by 3.7 meters in size and is loaded with specific construction tasks. Each pyramid-shaped feature can hold 9 tons worth of weight. These mats are made to endure for around 10 years, a cost-effective tool for construction companies. Unlike most construction equipment, FODS mats are easy to maintain. Cleaning them with street sweeping tools is all that is required. By keeping construction site debris contained, FODS mats ensure roads remain cleaner, the environment is less impacted, as well as overall construction site safety and efficiency.